Hello to everyone, myself Habibur Rahman, Assistant Professor of Business Administration, Islamia College Autonomous, Vanembadi. Guys, today I'd like to give lecture on very important topic from our subject, Human Resource Management, that is job description, job specification, job design, job enrichment, job evaluation. First, see what is job description. Job description is an organized factual statement of duties and responsibilities of a specific job. In brief, it should tell what is to be done, how it is done, and why it has to be done. Job description provides a written records of the duties and requirement of a particular job. Yes, guys, job description refers to it is a elaborate information about the job, about the duties and responsibilities of a particular employee, what he has to done, why it has to be done, and so on. It is written records clearly mentioning that what is your duty, what is your responsibility, why you have been appointed for so and so post. Everything will be described in a prescribed manner, is termed as job description. Next one is job specification. Job specification is a statement of the minimum acceptable human qualities necessary to perform a job properly. Job specification is the list of qualities that a candidate should possess in order to perform a job. Job specification is useful in interviews to match employee qualities with requirements. Yes, guys, here it is specified that what is the minimum qualification of the employee, qualities of the employee, experience of the employee, everything will be mentioned in job specification. The candidate quality, performance, everything will be described here. Even in interview, it is very useful thing. You can easily specify what are your qualities. Being an employer, being a HR manager, you need to first focus on the quality of an employee rather than any other things. First, you need to think that whether this candidate is suitable for our job, whether he is the right candidate for the right job. So that specified information is termed as job specification. So guys, job description means duties, responsibilities will be in written form, have to follow. Job specification means here the quality of the employees testing. Being an human resource manager, you are identifying the qualities, the best from the employee. Next one is job design. Job design refers to organizing tasks, duties, and responsibilities into a unit of work to attain certain objectives. Yes, guys. Here you are designing the duties and responsibilities of an employee to do a particular job or to achieve the organizational goals. It is very, very important point, important factor for any organization. Before an employee enters your organization, before an employee enters your company for an interview, he will just see what is his job design, what are the vacancies available in the organization, whether my qualification, whether my experience is suitable for this post or not. Next one is job enrichment. Job enrichment involves increasing in the intrinsic worth of a job. The purpose is to make a job interesting and challenging to utilize potential of an employee. Job enrichment provides the following: the opportunity for doing complete activity, freedom, independence, responsibility. Yes, guys. Here, employee think that staying in one area, doing only one particular of work is not good for future. He thinks that to shift from this work to another work, challenging work, so that he can learn new things. He will be having better opportunities. He will be having certain kind of freedom. He will be having lots of responsibilities. He is just loving to do new things rather than doing the same thing again and again, which has no scope for future. Enrichment here refers to employees himself making challenges to new job. Even the development of technologies gives lots of boom to the employees of the organization. They can learn new things. They can update themselves. Guys, please keep in your mind that today's market with old knowledge is no use. In today's market, if you want to survive, you need to have fresh knowledge, update knowledge, day to day knowledge, so that you can easily capable of doing the things at the same time, at the right time. You can easily capable of matching the challenging tasks and so on. Next one is job evaluation. Job evaluation is a systematic process for determining the relative worth of jobs in an organization. The purpose of job evaluation is to decide on how much should an employee be paid for the work he has done. Job evaluation is the process of determining the various parts of a job, the compensation payable to each part, and the qualification required for a person for appointment in the particular job. Yes, guys. Job evaluation refers to the payment of the job. For the right candidate, right payment is necessary. For this post, the salary is fixed. If an employee is having more experience, salary can be revised. So evaluating, analyzing the job is very, very important point. An organization has to evaluate the job properly before selecting any candidate. So payment of salary, giving the right salary is very, very important factor for any organization. So guys, again, I want to highlight this point. Job evaluation is the process of determining the various parts of a job, the compensation payable to each part, and the qualification required for a person for appointment in the particular job. So I want to highlight again from top of the things. Job description refers to describing about the job, duties, responsibilities, and so on in the prescribed manner. Job specification, here the qualities of the employees will be tested, will be mentioned. So in interview also, HR manager can easily identify the qualities of a employee. Job design, here duties and responsibilities is mentioned to attain the organizational objectives. Job enrichment, here an employee makes himself in challenging tasks so that he can learn new things, he can have bright future, he will be having lots of scope in future. Job evaluation, right salary for the right person, employees always focus on the package, and so on. So fine guys, thank you very much. Next thing we'll discuss in next class. Wish you all the best.